Hello and welcome to the Ken Vercammen Law of Us Legal Podcast. This edition, we are looking at a New Jersey criminal case, State versus Mellody, where the appellate division ruled that the police could not follow a suspected drunk driver into the garage. In State versus Mellody, the court reversed the defendant's driving while intoxicated DWI conviction because it was based upon evidence obtained by a police officer following his unlawful entry into the defendant's garage. The court remanded the case to the law division judge to determine whether the defendant's careless driving conviction could be sustained based upon information learned before the officer unlawfully crossed the threshold of defendant's home. The court in State versus Mellody address the circumstances which a police officer may enter a suspect's residence in connection with a drunk or careless driving investigation. The appellate division holds that while police have authority to perform various community caretaking functions, such as determining whether a suspected drunk driver needs medical attention, they may not make a warrantless entry into a suspect's home to execute an investigatory detention without consent or exigent circumstances. The court holds this applies to defendant's garage. The court also holds this was not a fleeing or de minimis entry. The officer entered the garage to execute an investigatory detention, that is, to seize the defendant. The court stresses that even the brief entry of the home to effectuate the seizure of a resident is a significant constitutional intrusion. The court ultimately concluded that the state failed to prove by a preponderance of the evidence the officer lawfully entered the garage to render emergency aid under the exigent circumstances exception. And that's State versus Mellody, citation 479 NJ Super 90 Appellate Division 2024. For more information on DWI cases, visit website njlaws.com and website benotguilty.com. And for representation in DWI and criminal cases, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.